We will study in this video the most fundamental basis of many branches of mathematics. Set. A collection of objects is said to be set if and only if it satisfies two conditions. The first condition is elements of collection should be distinct. And second condition is that the property of collection should be well defined. In order to understand the meaning of these conditions, we will now go through some examples. First condition means that in a set no two elements can be same. Let us make this more clear with an example. We have divided this example in two parts. In part 1, we have collection of marks of a student in last 5 years, which came out to be 45, 50, 42, 50, 48. And in second part, we have collection of height of a student in last 5 years, which came out to be 132, 135, 136, 137, 140. Obviously the first collection of marks of student is not a set, as two of its elements are same. And second collection of height of student is a set, as its all elements are distinct. Second property means there should be no confusion regarding the value of elements of collection among different people. Means set should be same all the time. Let us again take an example with two parts. The first part of example represent the collection of 10 talented students of school. And second part represent the collection of 10 most weighted students in school. This collection is not a set, because you cannot specifically find 10 students among all students who are most talented. If some are talented in my view, then other may be talented in your view. So property talented is not well defined. Now this collection is a set, as weight is always counted in kilogram or pounds, and it a quantity. We can find top 10 students having weight more than other students by noting their weight. Let us consider another example, in which for number 1 to 10, we form a collection by adding two consecutive numbers, whose value comes out to be this. Clearly this collection of L forms a set as it satisfies both the conditions. Means all its elements are distinct and also it is well defined collection having no confusion regarding its elements. Again for same numbers 1 to 10. If we try to form a collection by subtracting two consecutive numbers, the value of which comes out to be, then this collection is well defined but not a set, because elements are not distinct in this collection. But if we add condition to put only different kind of numbers in collection defined above, then our collection would look like this, and thus will be called a set. Let us go through some more examples. Collection of top 50 young singers of country is not a set, but collection of all singers between age 18 to 24 forms a set. Also collection of most interesting books of library is not a set. On the other hand, collection of all the books on first shelf of library is a set. 10 most difficult problems of book cannot be a set, as problems which are difficult for me may be easier for others. So such collection is not well defined. But 10 problems of book which are most difficult for John form a set as only view of John is being considered, and such collection will therefore be fixed. Set are usually represented by capital letters, like capital A, capital B, capital C, X, Y and so on. And its elements are represented by small letters, like A, B, C, and so on. In next few videos we will cover the topics like types or kinds of sets, operations related to sets, practical application of operations related to set. Some commonly used examples of sets are set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of irrational numbers, set of real numbers. We have already gone through the deep discussion of all these sets in our previous videos of real numbers. There are two ways of representing a given set. First is roster form. In this form all elements are listed as it is and are separated with commas in between them. For example, also the order of elements is not important. means set with elements A, B, C, D, is the same set with elements B, C, A, D. Second way of representing the set is set builder form, in which set is described by writing its property. For example, set of all even numbers less than 10. Hope this video regarding the meaning of set proved helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Thanks. For more maths related videos, do consider subscribing our channel, Math Shell. Thanks. For more maths related videos, do consider subscribing our channel, Math Shell.